Guys, Kendra this side. And after teaching these many years of electrical engineering, in recent times, I'm getting a feel that our entire electrical engineering is nature, imagination, and kind of conventions or customs or rules. Okay, and that nature, kind of imagination and customs. That's it. If you think of, for example, Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, a simple Faraday's law. Okay, did he discover or did he invent? He discovered. Okay, because prior to Faraday also that rule was there. After Faraday, obviously that was there. Okay, whenever any electrical conductor is influenced by change of magnetic field, automatically induced voltage will be induced in that. That is nature. Prior to Faraday it was there. After that also it will be there. And if you think of current, whenever current flow, automatically magnetic field will be surrounded by that particular current carrying conductor. It's a nature. Okay, it's just a nature. Prior to what I say, Eichstätt felt that it was there, and now also it will be there. But that is nature. But the problem with nature is it is invisible, right? Our electrical engineering, magnetic field, some kind of stuff, a area pin machine, or kind of what is happening around the what they say conductor of a transmission line, or whatever you see or whatever you feel is invisible nature, right? So the moment it is invisible, imagination come into picture. Imagination in this is the problem with imagination is the way you imagine, I may not get. The way I imagine, you may not get. Okay, so in order to link this imagination, we got customs rules. Right hand rule, right hand thumb rule. If current is flowing in upward, our kind of we have to use right hand thumb rule. Our kind of right hand rule. Okay, or for example, let us think of in our phasor diagrams. Okay, phasor diagrams or phasor should be rotated in anti-clockwise direction. It's a custom. Or when electrons are flowing in upward, we feel that positive charge is coming down. It's a custom. Okay, kind of in our cities and all means while driving our vehicle, obviously we have to go on left hand side only. It's a custom. It's a rule. Okay, in order to control our imagination, rules come into picture. Kind of resonance, if I say mechanical resonance or electrical resonance or anyway resonance every time it was there. Okay, but problem with some of the students is they will ask, sir, why induced voltage is induced in Faraday? It was there in nature. Nature has given mango, which is sweet. That's it. Nature has given whenever a conductor is influenced by change of magnetic field, voltage will be induced. That is the nature. That is nature given. Okay, that nature given with our imagination, controlled imagination. Okay, kind of customs rules. In a controlled imagination, we have to understand. See, our entire electrical engineering is now only three things: invisible nature, imagination, and rules. That's it. Thank you, guys.